Yo, what is up guys? I'm back again with a brand new tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to get the modded version of XP Hero. This will basically give you unlimited gems and coins in the game, which you can use to purchase anything. And don't worry, it's completely safe. I've been using it for a while now. I have a bunch of options right here, such as Always God Mode, unlimited gems and coins, one-hit kill, and much more. The first thing you want to do is grab your iOS or Android device. I'm using an Android today. Once you're on your device, make sure you already have XP Hero installed and fully updated. If you need to check, just go to the App Store or Google Play Store. Once that's done, the next step is to simply open your browser and follow my instructions. In the search bar, type unlocker++ and press install. After the installation is complete, the mod will be installed on your device. Thanks for watching. See you next time.